Hello and welcome to one of the most exciting sections of our course. And in this course you are going to visualize the data. So on the basis of the analytics that you have built in the last lecture, we are going to visualize the data. We are going to build some charts and graphs, and on the basis of that we are going to make a dashboard where we will summarize all the information in one single screen, so that the business owners or the business managers can analyze the information and can take useful decisions. So how do we do that? It is very simple, and let's get started. So first of all, let's go to anywhere on our screen here in our data and click on, I will press the Alt key to get this panel here, and I will go to insert. And on this insert you can go to pivot table. You can use that, and on the basis of that you can build the chart, or you can directly go to this pivot chart here. So this time I'm going to pivot chart directly, so I will click here on this pivot chart. So first thing that Excel is asking me is that they are asking me for this complete information range. So they have selected the complete table, which I had named as data, and the next argument that Excel needs from me is that they are asking me that where they want me to place this pivot chart. So I want it to be new worksheet, and everything is okay. I will press OK. So here we are on the new sheet, and you can see that we have a pivot table tab here available, and we also have a pivot chart. And on this panel here you can see that we have legends and axes in place of columns and rows. So it is very simple and very straight, similar to the one we have done in the pivot table. So all we need to do is that we need to drag the fields that we want to analyze to these cells here, and there we go. So the first thing that I want to do is that I want to drag down the sales revenue here. So I will bring down sales revenue here, and I would go to value field settings to do some basic formatting. So I would do the number format. So number format should be number, and there should be comma separator, and there should not be any decimals, and that is it. So I will press OK now. So you can see that our value has been sorted, and the next field that I want to bring in is the country. So the first chart that I want to make is that I want to analyze the sales by country. So I will just drag down this country to this axis tab here, and here you can see that we have our chart ready, which has countries as well as the information about sales, about the total sales. So the basic things that I need to do is that I will click here and I will click on sort, and I would say from largest to smallest. So here we have our chart in simple order. And the second thing that I want to do is that I want to remove this button from here. So I would say hide all the field buttons, or hide this field button. So I would say this one. So, and second thing that I want to do is that I want to hide this one as well. So I would say hide access field button, and here we go. The next thing I want to do is that I want to remove this total here from as well. I can click on that and do it from here, or I can go here and I can say remove access. We can do that, or get back, and you can remove the legend. That was basically this one, or you can get back the legend if you need. And these are the grid lines. If you want to remove them, you can click on this and you can remove grid lines as well. So I will keep the grid lines for now, and I will keep the chart title for now as well, and I will just change it to make it like, you know, total sales by country, and keep it selected, and I would press Ctrl B to make it bold, and you can put it on the any side as well. I will keep it on this corner, so I think here it is best suited. All right, so here we have our first chart that is ready, and it contains total sales by country. And I really want to remove this axis from here, so I don't think I really need that. So why I'm saying that, because when you will drag on any of this bars, you can simply see your screen. So I don't really need this chart from here. I need this axis from here. So I'll click on this plus sign, and I would say axis titles, and axis title, and on this arrow here I would say that I don't need primary vertical title, so this should be removed. And here we go. So our first chart is ready, total sales by country.